It will be hard to beat this one. Conrad here with your weekly web hosting news summary in 60 seconds, powered by webhosting.today. A2Hosting has been acquired by Whois Group. We are starting the year with a major acquisition of one of the largest remaining independent web hosting providers in the US. Whois Group plans to enhance services and improve infrastructure while keeping A2Hosting as an independent brand. This acquisition is another step for Whois Group to dominate the global web hosting market. Namecheap closes 2024 with 18% growth. The US-based web hosting giant achieved $398 million in revenue driven by strong performance across its services, including the Spaceship platform. Namecheap CEO Richard Kirkendall expressed gratitude to customers for their continued support. Whois is being replaced by RDAP. ICANN will officially replace Whois with the Registration Data Access Protocol (RDAP) on January 28. ICANN-accredited registrars and gTLDs have supported RDAP since 2019, so no one should really notice any difference. That's it for this summary. If you'd like to stay up to date with news from the web hosting world, visit webhosting.today, subscribe to the newsletter, and don't forget to observe.